How to get Commentator in Headball 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are looking for a way to upgrade your gaming experience in mobile football game Headball 2 or unlocking special feature in it, then you are in the right place. So let's go ahead and get the Commentator in Headball 2 today. First of all, launch open Headball 2 game on your device. From the main lobby screen, go to the upper right corner and tap on the microphone icon or a headphone icon, this one over here. Just tap on it. And you'll need to download the Commentator. Tap on the download button, which is usually 42 MB. It'll take a while for the download to complete. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection so that the download will progress faster. Once the download is complete, your Commentator pack is ready to use. If the Commentator is available for purchase, you may need to spend coins, gems, or premium currency for events. Once the Commentator is downloaded, you can then go ahead and join a match and start playing. So that's how you get the Commentator feature in Headball 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.